Coming up.
Purchase anything because still confused, but that's where you guys come in. Thought about going to Hermes for a Twilly, and I know, gasp, I don't know about you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel you can find all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. You can also find me over on Instagram at Lex Petite, where I'm styling my brown and beige handbags. Now in today's video, it is all about Twillys. And yes, I do have a Twilly reveal here with the backstory, and also I need your help. I am deciding between two Twillys and I can't decide. So that's where you guys come in. So let's get right into it. So a little bit of a backstory. Last Thursday, I went downtown, met up with my girl CC, and I will put her channel below. And this was the first time we met up, and I had the best time. We hit all the designer stops. My intention with shopping that day was to find a Twilly for my newest handbag, the Lady Dior. Let's just get some eye candy, shall we? So I'll have this video with this unboxing below, but this beauty, it's my latest handbag, and I thought, you know what? We need a Twilly to help protect the handles. With that said, you know I'm gonna be a little bit particular because I love a good neutral, and also we need to think about the shades in this Twilly. It needs to have some type of light yellow variation. Long story short, I actually thought about going to Hermes for a Twilly, and I know, gasp, I don't know about you guys. Do you mix your Twillys, or it could be a Mitza or a Rappy if you're Fendi? Do you mix your brands with your bags? So at the time, I was like, not sure if I'm really feeling the Mitzas at Dior, so I'm gonna go check out Hermes with CC. So the Hermes store, they had a couple Twillys, and the one that really caught my eye was the Precious Paradise. The thing is that the one that I was looking for had more of the yellow. They didn't have it in the store, but they had a beige one. And of course, I'm naturally drawn to beige, and I love that this one had the pop of the orange as a nice like accent color, heritage to Hermes. So I was like very intrigued, and ultimately what I ended up doing is I purchased the one that had a little bit of the hint of the yellow. Then I also decided, well, you know what? I'm also gonna get the beige one too, because at the end of the day, if this one doesn't work, I could always put it on my Picotin, right? Since that beige one could work with my gold Picotin over here. Okay guys, the Paradise print in the light yellow colorway is here, and let's see how it matches up. So we've got a couple different shades of yellow here. So I would say, I don't know about this dark yellow. I think these two shades go better with the light pale yellow shade of the Dior bag, but I'm not really loving it. And then plus you have like the little design details here on the end, like they're Hermes Paris. I think I'm gonna return this, but I will keep the Paradise print in that beige and orange colorway. I think that is super cute, and I can use it on my Hermes Picotin. Let me know what you guys think. Such a cute print, but I'm gonna be returning this Twilly. Long story short, I ultimately decided that I'm not feeling the Hermes Twilly with my Dior bag. And I just think that the Paradise yellow in that Twilly is a little bit too bright. It might even be fluorescent yellow and the pale yellow in the Dior. I just think that's gonna be too much of a mismatch, let alone the whole brand difference. So ultimately, we're not going with that. But what I am going with is the one that I'm keeping with my Picotin. So let's do a quick reveal. doesn't exactly end there. I didn't have my revelation with my Hermes Twilly until well later into the evening once we were having dinner at Girl and the Goat. Before then, we did head over to Dior, where I just confused myself more. I tried on various mitzvahs with the Lady Dior, and they had the mini in that pearlescent, so not exactly the same exact shade, but it was enough that I could get a sense like what mitzvahs they had. And of course I didn't purchase anything because still confused, but that's where you guys come in. Let's talk about some mitzvahs. There are two mitzvahs that I am deciding between and I need your help. So the first one, I'm gonna call this the botanical mitzvah. This one is a beautiful like ivory color with the light green. Y'all know I love a good light green, hence the mint green bags in my collection. But this one features some dragonflies, some botanicals, some bees, hence the yellow. And I also like that it gives a little bit of that nod to Mr. Dior's love for botanicals with this print. Just instantly, I'm not sure if I'm feeling the botanicals or not, honestly. It's definitely more of like the plants and all that, but I do think that it would go really well with this bag. It has more of a like muted kind of colorway. Okay, the second mitzvah, I'm gonna call this the springtime floral mitzvah, and this one's got more of the ivory with the floral prints. Now you'll notice here, one of the features I like about this, it looks like the background is more of that beige. So you know me, I love a good beige. So that right there is one part that I'm really big fan of. The other one for the print itself, I like that this has the florals. My only hesitation is that the florals, they might be kind of like a bright yellow, like almost like fluorescent, kind of like the issue I had with the Hermes one where I said in the Paradise print that I think that the shades would be not complementary yellow shades. This yellow, I do think the Dior one's a little bit better than the Hermes. However, it might be a little bit too bright. I don't know. I almost kind of lean more toward the floral, but again, I just hesitate with that yellow tone. And again, ultimately, the yellows on the Dior website, like we've seen with even my own bag here, the bag pictures they have online and what you see on person with the mitzvah, they can be like night and day. So I thought about potentially even ordering both because they are, you know, they'll be, you know, around the $500 to order both and maybe see that might be helpful. I don't know, but would be, I'm just really excited and I kind of want to like just get one and just maybe go with one and just see how it works. I don't know. I thought y'all could just help me because you guys know me, you know my collection so well, and you guys would probably just steer me in the right direction for either mitzvah. So with that said, do you want to go with more of the botanical, the first option with that light green, or the floral, the second option? Let me know in the comments below. Please help me pick a mitzvah. I really think it would be great to have one because this is a lighter pale yellow handle and I think it'll just kind of help with the wear and tear. And yes, ultimately I don't really like need a mitzvah, but it would be so cute. Now when I asked you guys over on Instagram, which mitzvah do you prefer? You guys picked botanical. Okay guys, let me know, what do you think of my latest Twilly from Hermes? I think that is so chic and I love, it's just a fun print and also help a girl out, help me decide the next mitzvah for my Dior handbag. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.